Ready to explore the world of virtualization on your Windows PC? This easy tutorial will walk you through the simple steps to install VirtualBox. Whether you are a developer testing software or just curious about running different operating systems, VirtualBox is your gateway to a virtual world. Watch now and get started on your virtual journey. To install VirtualBox on Windows, Step 1. Download the VirtualBox installer from the official website. Step 2. Run the downloaded installer executable. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions in the setup wizard. Step 4. During installation, you may be prompted to install additional components such as network interfaces. Proceed with the default options unless you have specific preferences. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, launch VirtualBox. Step 6. You can now create and manage virtual machines on your Windows system using VirtualBox.